Hello and welcome to Universe Sandbox 2. This is a little bit of an experimental video, in the sense that I'm gonna one-shot this one, record it in one go, because I'm having a lot of issues with Sony Vegas with rendering. I had a Besiege video, another Homeworld remastered video, etc, and they all keep failing about halfway through, stating that I don't have enough resources available. So yeah, and this also crashed a lot of stuff, and yeah, corrupted some files, and yeah, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to try and record some videos again. Yeah, so that's a big problem, but yeah, I decided to clean up my computer and try and record a video in one go. So as a test, I'm gonna dig around in Universe Sandbox 2, because, well, Universe 1, let me start with this. Universe Sandbox 1 I bought a long time ago when it just came out, because I was like, oh, digging around with celestial objects, with stars and planets, play God for a little bit, you know. The idea was, I was like, oh, this is totally my kind of game, and it sort of was, in the sense that you could, you know, fling around celestial objects and like see what would happen if I would change the mass of the sun, or, you know, dig around with physics. It was like more a physics sandbox than an actual universe sandbox, because there were things missing, like actually properly that stars would go supernova, or collisions with celestial objects. They would just pop. They would just pop, be gone, and yeah, the other object would enlarge or something because they combined. It was missing a little bit of that Hollywood. It was missing that, you know, that crazy, insane destruction that space, that the universe has. Supernovas, planets colliding with each other, black holes swallowing other celestial objects, swallowing stars, the amazing destruction, insanity that happens out there. It's one of the things I was really looking forward when playing Universe Sandbox, but it wasn't there. Of course, it was a cool simulation of, yeah, what would happen if Earth had additional moons, or what would happen if something would collide with Earth? What would it shift its rotational period? Would it change its angle? Would it change its course around the sun? That kind of stuff. You could dig around with that, but yeah, it got boring quickly. Really, it was more, you know, sort of pseudo-science-y physics digging around, and graphically it wasn't that spectacular either. But Universe Sandbox 2 is, they totally stepped up their game, which I could explain now, but I think it's better if I'll just show them. So this is Earth. Here we have the Netherlands. That's where I am at. Somewhere over here. Shape isn't that right. I'm missing the Netherlands a little bit there, but Earth and other planets are fully simulated. You have climate stuff, even greenhouse effects. You have temperatures. You have so much more stuff right now, and it's all simulated. Now, do mind that this is an alpha. This is alpha version 12, I believe. Yeah, alpha 12, there it is. So it's still very, very much in development, but what's already there is absolutely mind-blowing, spectacular. I love it. The amount of detail that's already in this simulation is crazy. That does mean that the FPS isn't that high. As you can see on my computer, it's 22. Because it calculates the physics, it calculates all the climate change, the atmosphere, there's so many variables, even materials. There's just so much stuff going on right now, and well, I just feel like being destructive. Shall we lob an asteroid at it? Charliclo. Or I have an idea. What would happen if the moon decided to fuck us all up? And was just like, yeah, fuck these humans. I'm gonna lob myself at them. Let's lob the moon at Africa. No racism implied. Oh god. Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that. Let's speed up time. Did I press a button or something? No, that's just... I think I did something wrong. Because we're now on a year per second, and I might have... Oh, I paused the simulation. Oh. Derp. Oh! Well, there you go. That's Earth. That was a little bit fast. Let's restart the simulation. So there we are again, and this is actually simulation of the climate of Earth if Earth would be tidally locked with the sun. So let's reset everything. Climate. Let's reset it to normal speed again, and let's try that again. So let's have powers. Shoot. Moon. Let's shoot the moon, and let's slow down. Okay, there we go. Now we have the moon going towards Earth, and we're like on Earth here, and you have a first person mode, which is really cool. And there's the moon coming at us. That is absolutely an horrifying sight. Dear God. Can you imagine you're just chilling around here on Earth and you suddenly see this coming at you? This is like Majora's Mask, only without a creepy face. It's just like, yeah, fuck you all. I'm gonna... No, not miss, okay. You better not miss, moon. So yeah, let's speed up a little bit more. My FPS is probably gonna die as soon as it hits, but there we go. You can see the shadow of the moon already, and then it hit. And let's slow down. And in the second window you can see here the impact itself really neatly. The temperature of Earth has gone up to 2000 degrees already. God. And you'll actually see changes on the surface now. So let's go to the other side. Let's go to where I'm living. Let's go to Holland. And yeah, the FPS has successfully died now. Humanity is dead at this point. It's like... It's been like an hour since the impact, maybe? Humanity is already dead. The entire surface has been scorched. I see now that the oceans are disappearing. Water is slowly vaporizing. And yeah, like one side of Earth is completely fucked now. Look at that impact. God. So let's speed her up a little bit more. And you can see this huge wave of fire going across the surface of the Earth from the impact, and everything is being scorched now. I think you can, yeah, organics actually now is specified as gas. Water has changed into plasma. We are so fucked. It's 2700 degrees Celsius now on Earth. God, that is... yeah. Let's speed her up a bit more. You can see debris now going around the Earth. The oceans are now disappearing completely. And yeah, we are completely fucked. Look at that impact crater. That is insane. And wow, that was what. Wow, the oceans are now glowing lava. Earth has now has oceans of lava. So this is what happens when the moon decides to fuck us all over. So shall we speed it up a little bit more? And all these fragments are impacting now, and oh, we reached 3000 degrees now, and you can see Earth is glowing now. We're just a ball of fire now. You can actually see waves of lava going across the surface now. This is how detailed this simulation is. It's amazing. This is yeah. I should probably be locked up for saying this, but this is awesome. Earth is now a ball of lava oceans with fragments surrounding it. The moon is gone. The moon has, yeah, merged with Earth now, and yeah, humanity is long gone. Oh, you see more impacts. More fragments going in there. And any life that survived the initial chaos certainly is gone now. So let's speed it up even more. And let's see what would have happened if, like, aliens visited us in like a few years. Let me delete the fragments, by the way. There. Otherwise the simulation goes full retard. Because it doesn't like fragments. Earth is cooling down now. It looks like the moon now. Wow, that is seriously depressing. There is still some water. But otherwise, do we even still have an atmosphere? Because I think our atmosphere got blown away. You can see atmosphere somewhere. Yeah, here, atmosphere. No, we still have atmosphere. It's just... wow. Look at this. You can see craters from impacts and... well... It's been 33 days now since the impact. So let's oh, water came back. Oh yeah, the temperature is now under 100 degrees. So water has started to solidify and or liquefy is the right word. But yeah, Earth is still very, very dead. It's now pretty much rocks with water. And that's nearly 60 days after the impact. Wow. That doesn't sound right, by the way. 60 days after the impact and... this, but okay. We're just gonna roll with it. And... Earth is still cooling down, really. And no, we're at around 15 degrees now. And it's been more than a year, so let's slow down again and see how Earth looks. Wow. Yeah, there's still some organics, some solid and liquid organics. So I'm guessing there's still some bacteria that somehow survived and they're still in the ocean. So, but yeah, a little more than a year after the moon tried to fuck us over, successfully so, Earth is now a pretty dead planet with nothing but rock and water, and maybe still some bacteria has somehow survived that entire surface of molten rock, but so yeah, that was the destruction of Earth. So that's what happens when something big hits Earth. And this is Venus, by the way. I feel like lobbing something at Venus. Let's put a lot of water on Venus. See what happens. Because you can also sprinkle like stuff on planets. Wow, that looks really dramatic. So let's just keep pouring a lot of water on Venus. See what happens. Because Venus is really hot. Like, what's the current temperature? 431 degrees. And that's the natural temperature of Venus. I wonder. Oh, I know what we can do. Let's move Venus. I thought you could move stuff. Ah yes, move. And let's move it into the orbit of Earth. See what happens. So, sort of at the orbit of Earth. There. That's close enough. So, I'll probably have to correct some stuff now. Like the eccentricity. And, oh, we're now near Mars. That's not right. Well, we're getting there. Okay, now it's pretty much near Earth now. So, and let's see what happens to Venus now. Oh, apparently there's some collisions. Okay, so let's speed up. And let's see what happens to Venus. I see, yeah, Venus is slowly cooling down. Let's zoom out. That's a nice orbit we had there. So, Earth is pretty close, by the way. So, Venus is still cooling down. Very slowly. So let's increase time. No, the temperature's actually stuck. The temperature is stuck to 361 degrees. And that's probably because Venus has like and I'll try to show you the greenhouse effect on Venus is pretty high. So the planet itself is heating up itself like immensely. Shall we add some hydrogen to Venus? Let's add some. Venus became some sort of gas giant now, I think. Wow. So, can we add some water and see what happens? Let's make everything water. Looks weird. And more carbon dioxide. And more hydrogen. Wow. That's very liquid now. See what the temperature did. And the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect lowered a lot. And the temperature too. So let's speed her up. And see. Oh wow, it's freezing up now. It's becoming very cold. I actually see some sort of ice forming on there. So it's been a few years now. And it's actually very cold on Venus now. Oh. That's a bit of a glitch there. Oops. Wow. Now let's lob something at Venus, shall we? Powers. Let's Maki. Sure. That mostly gives a lot of fragments. Ceres is big, right? Let's slow her down a bit. No, Ceres, okay. Shall we just lob Earth at Venus? Well, oh god. Oh wow, Venus is gone. Wow. That is god. Okay, now let's see what happens if let's make the sun really big. And it went supernova. Wow. Let's watch Pluto as it burns up into the supernova. There you go. Oh, there's even a tail going over it. That's awesome. That is really cool. Wow. Wow, that's a really high temperature. Is Earth even still there? Oh, there's Jupiter. Yeah, Jupiter is burning up. Whoa, Jupiter is nearly 90,000 degrees. Oh, and Earth is just nearly 50,000? Shouldn't they be burning red now? Oh, what? What happened to Earth? Is this the wrong Earth, maybe? Because I spawned in another Earth. Yeah, this is... Ah, there we go, that's the right Earth. Oh, Earth is nearing 60,000 degrees. It's now... yeah. Earth would be vaporized technically now. Not sure why a supernova didn't vaporize it, but yeah, the sun went supernova. I know what to do. Let's add a black hole right here. I wonder, I have never even looked at black holes really. I wonder how they look. Ooh, that looks really cool. That's nice. That's really nice. I wonder if we orbit a. It's a bit hard to see everything here. There we go. Edit. No, add. If we add a star, let's add the sun. Let's put it in an orbit around. Oh, we have Proxima Centauri, Wolf, Sirius B, Prolyticon, Prolyticon. Ooh, B2. Whoa! Well, that puts things in perspective. This is, wow. This is our sun compared to Betelgeuse. Just how massive are these things? I mean, the sun is already massive, but wow, that is crazy. That is really insane. Just look how tiny our sun is compared to Betelgeuse. And I believe that isn't even the largest star there is. There. Radius, Polaris. Ah, there it is. Canis Majoris. I believe that's the... Look at that. That is just fucking huge. Can I somehow remove this particle effect, by the way? Look at the massive size of that star. Jesus, that is insane. Wow. That is... It's 17 times the mass of our sun. It's actually not that much. Compared to... But it's a red star, so it's not very dense compared... I think it says lower density. Yeah, see, our sun has a much higher density. Also a much higher temperature compared to Canis Majoris. But that is... Wow. The only thing missing now is this black hole actually sucking up these two material from these two stars. Especially from the sun now. Ah, that's really cool. Wow. Anyways, my 30 minutes are up now. This was Universe Sandbox one-shotted. I hope you liked this video. Of course, rate, like, comment, subscribe. If you like me digging around in this in Universe Sandbox. And who knows, maybe I have more ideas to, yeah, for destruction and see what happens to Earth. If it's, say, much farther away from the sun. Like it's a, yeah, like Saturn's orbit. Well, it's freezing up now. That's what happens. Ah, this, yeah, I love this game. Anyways, let's close off here with Earth freezing up and going into a winter. And I hope you are all depressed now, and I'm gonna grab my winter coat. See you next video. Tara.